At first, there was Emmonsfield, the slug wizard. Hit by the magical power in the first battle in Emmonsfield, he just became sentient and became a wizard. He's a slug, so he's actually really that big. So this is a big version of him. Then came the Squid Gnome. The Squid Gnome rose from a cave high on the cliff. Now, slug wizards and squid gnomes are being hunted. Who by? We don't quite know yet. Who is it? Who's doing it? Well, today I'm going to find out. More to scale, I think. I have pieces of the random leftover models that I bought and then painted and did over the last few months. These are the things that were like, I'm not sure. I had started on that. I was going to make a Durga goddess model, but it's so small that to make a sword and a bow and arrow and a cudgel and things was turning out to be a problem. I mentioned it here, therefore it's been done. Okay, I'm doing this on an experiment. Basically, I don't like that model. I wonder if this will cut through the armour. I'm about to test something. The answer is yes. Bing! Magic. It's resealed itself. What the hell? Well, it's instantly better. It's just now got ridiculously small, skinny arms. So, this model, he had some legs, and this was on his back, and it was like a, what is it? It's like a robot with a shield, and so I cut the pauldrons off. Then I tried doing that with this and broke the hot wire cutter. I need to buy a new wire. It got stuck in there. It went through, and as it was going through, the heat of it was making it stick together again. And then these were the legs off of this thing, which I took the head off to make the Durga model. So I'm thinking putting these on there, like that. I think that might be stage 1. Stage 2, I want to move this hand up to hold this as a shield, because he needs to be able to shield himself against magic. The slug wizard has him. These are going to be his shield. This has got a hole in the top. I'm wondering if I put that in there, goes that way up, that's better. That fits better. Then I've got the random heads and things that were on the Durga model. There's a wolf head. It's a face of some sort. It's a face. Oh, shoot. It was a face until I threw it on the floor. I think it was another one. Oh, it's small. They're very small for me to kind of a devil. They are very, very small. The hot glue gun has got gold glitter in it because I was trying to make a gold glittery sword for the Durga model. You do need to lift this arm up. This arm needs to go up like that. If I set fire to it, will it stay up? Let's do a stupid experiment. Favourite tool. Setting fire to things, yay! Oh, it smells like gunpowder. Weird. You know gun caps you get? That's what it smells like. That's a start. Now, if I do it on that arm and just straighten that arm, same sort of thing. We stick them onto there. Sparkly gold glitter. Hot glue. Sparkly glue. Yay. Probably better off doing it with super glue, but I'm not. I want to use sparkly glue. There. Now, I've got wolf's head and 3 other heads. I'm wondering if I can put the wolf head there to make it look like that's his head. Because it's got no head. What I need here is a hot knife. But I broke it. Don't think the hot wire thing is meant to be for cutting plastic models down there. If I put that there, or do I put it there? It's one chance decision, isn't it? I need to pack that out somewhat. Sparkly glue. It's a whole new dimension to it, doesn't it? Sparkly glue. I'm going to see if this works. This is the spiky thing from the thing. Oh, hopefully I'm not going to set fire, break this one as well. Yeah, I think I've got to chop the fingers off. more bad ideas. I've got to make a staff. I was going to use a pin like with a ball head sort of thing. That would work, but it needs to be cantilevered. So what I'm going to do is put one in the bottom as well. Any kids watching this, don't do this at home. If you do, make sure your parents are out first. Let's get super glue all over my fingers because you know how much I love super glue. That's half an hour's work. One of the fastest models I've ever made. Granted, I'd already cut his pauldrons and back off and broken at least 3 tools. Okay, sparkly glitter time. A little bit of glitter never hurt anybody. A lot of glitter, well, you drown in the stuff, darling. The name's Melda, and I'm here to exterminate your slug wizard with glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. Time to spray. Take away. Let's hide all her secret glitter underneath her. The original slug wizard was purple, and it's kind of like match the colours of the thing you're hunting. So the hunter is in the same sort of garb. Next stage, an orangey pink, and we're going to paint the armour, the main part of the armour. Okay, new colour, teal. And paint the shield. I need some flesh on the legs. Pale flesh tones. It's titanium white, isn't it? It's my problem with all of these elf tones and elf skin and all that. It's basically just variants on Umbra and Sienna and titanium white. They're not unique colours, they're just consistently just getting batches of the same colour. Back to the teal. We are going. I'm feeling that I sort of paint that bit red because that's the button, but I'm painting this. It's predominantly orange now rather than this pinky colour. last bits, highlights. There we are, we have that. And as well as good as it is and fine and all that, it doesn't quite feel finished. So what I'm going to do is do that. I'm going to stick him on there and make a bit more of a scene. So I'm thinking parts of slugs and gnomes and things. So I'm just going to stick a few bits on, and that's what I need to do is give him some scale. A number of dead bodies. Still got a sparkly gold blue, look. Okay, I'm going to add some bits and pieces to this. That's such a good fit, I can't get it back out. I like making the dioramas, so I have these bases that are oversized. And they are basically the rubber lids that fit on top of coffee pots. This is going to be a slug carcass. Snap his legs off. Ah, look, just the idea, wasn't it? Didn't need all that stupidness. Let's do, go like that, shove a pair of legs in his dead slug. Random old people, you can edit, they can become dead slugs too. Look at that, instant dead slug. It's melting. 3 humans make a dead slug, look at that. Hot glue slugs. Okay, we have some slugs need painting and a kind of tombstone. We have some greys, some blues, some lilac basically. And we're going to just dab in some paint. Lots of this is just going to be lots of greys and blues. And I'll take most of the base out first, do that first. And yes, I'm painting the side because the sides are better painted rather than covered in a black line. I don't get the black line. These are magic slugs. They're also dead slugs. Everyone knows how you're supposed to get rid of slugs? Gravel. You're supposed to put gravel down, and it doesn't always work. So, gravel. Fine dark grey stone. Imelda, everybody, Imelda. Imelda, the robot hunter of slug wizards, and the carcasses of dead slugs all around that she's killed. The red button in the middle presses to expand her size, and so she goes from this size to big. There's my entry for this year's Slug Wizards contest. I'm quite pleased with that, given the fact that this was the leftover random models that I bought off of eBay like a year ago, and they didn't make any sense. The robot with pauldrons, some legs off another model and some heads off of a third, and so we've ended up with something else or nothing, which is always good. I hope you like this. If this was fun and entertaining and another random add-on to the crafting of London Creative, then please do give it a thumbs up and leave comments down below. Tell me other things to try, different things, talk to me, tell me things, suggest other contests and competitions or things like that. And if you're not already and you like seeing the diversity of my crafting and my art and my creating and making stuff and breaking stuff and burning stuff and using a blowtorch to melt models, then you should hit subscribe and come back next time for something completely different. Until then, Imelda and I are going to go and figure out where she's going to go in this cacophony of random objects and things. So, until then, bye! Whoa. Let's move on to hunted. And I'm going to go and hunt down the people that are screaming outside because they're bloody loud and stupid. Okay, so what have we got? Puffalope that I was using to store these pieces in. I'll open the door for the dog. Come on in. Oh, calm down. Welcome to the noise. This is what I live with all the time. This is the noise is ridiculous. Never shuts up. And they're always screaming kids. That time you said you were going to phone me, Peter, and I said I was filming. Yeah, this is what I'm doing.
Oh, darling. You need some glitter, darling. You need glitter. Everyone needs glitter. Apart from slugs. Slugs don't like glitter. No, slugs like magic.